ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते कृष्णबलरामस्वामिनिति नाम्नि श्रीलप्रभुपादशिष्येषु केवलं व्रजवासिनं वाडवा वंशावधंसं हंसन्वन्तान्तकं नमः. Jai Shri Radhe. We are reading from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter number 7, shloka number 12. We are recording from Srimad Lavandham, temperature 6 degrees centigrade. The shloka goes like this. Ye chaiva satvika bhava rajasastamasa ye matta एवेति तान् विद्धि न त्वमहं तेषु ते मयि. Translation. Know that all states of being, be they of goodness, passion or ignorance, are certainly born of me. Yet I am not under them, they are under me. Purport. The whole material creation is working under the three modes of material nature, and all beings born under them as per their past karma develop a particular nature and feelings, and thus struggle following one of the three modes. Those who are in goodness are able to control their senses and remain peaceful. Those who are dominated by the mode of passion are proud and emotional, and those in ignorance are controlled by hankering and lamentation. Although everything is created by Lord Krishna, he is not entangled in or controlled by anything. Just as all demons like Ravana and Kamsa were born of Lord Krishna, still Lord Krishna was not under their control. They were under his control. This is like a watchmaker who makes a watch but remains uninvolved in its functioning. Even though, as a machine, a watch is within his knowledge, but the watchmaker is never inside it. So, the entire world, everything is controlled with three modes of material nature. That is Sattvaguna, Rajoguna and Tamoguna. Sattvaguna is mode of goodness, Rajoguna is mode of passion, and Tamoguna is mode of ignorance. Those who are in the mode of ignorance are always lamenting and then hankering. They want more and more and more, and if they lose something which is very dear to them, they lament, they keep on crying. And those who are in the mode of passion are actually proud, and they want to achieve more, and emotional if someone, because they want recognition, and if someone actually brings a bad name to them, so they can't bear it. And whereas goodness, they're always under control, the senses are under control, mind is peaceful, and they expect that everyone around should also be like that, and they try to teach others that be peaceful, be calm, be very selective, okay, in your decisions, make only good decisions. So very important logic has been explained here, that Krishna, though demons have come from Krishna only, but Krishna is not controlled by the demons. So this is the independence of Krishna. So all the modes are coming from Krishna, but Krishna is not controlled by the three modes. He is above the three modes. He is beyond the three modes. Now here example logic of watchmaker, and the watch is given. Just like Krishna is the watchmaker. So Krishna has made us, has made the demons. He has made many good things and bad things. And after making the watchmaker need not actually again sit besides the watch, ensuring that it is working properly. He has designed it in such a way that even he is not, if the watch is kept somewhere away in the across 7 seas across, in some other land, some other location someone is wearing, but the mechanism is so perfect that it keeps on working even if the watchmaker is not there. Similarly, Krishna is like that. Krishna made us and he has sent us here, and even though he is not here, things are going on, things are working. So three modes of material nature is doing its work. So this is the beauty of Krishna. So if we see at this statement, that means everyone in this world is actually covered. Previously he made a statement that I am the seed giving father. Yes, the reproduction capacity. And in addition to that, now in this we can see that there is no living entity which can escape from these three qualities of goodness, passion and ignorance. There will be A combination of these, like goodness is Brahmanas, and then goodness and passion is Vaishyas, and passion and ignorance, sorry, goodness and passion is Kshatriyas, and then passion and ignorance is Vaishyas, and ignorance is Shudras. So this differentiation is always there, but still Krishna is not part of it. So that's the beauty of Krishna's creation. Jai Shri Radhe.